Hello, so today I'm going to show you how I program and unlock these 32K ROMs that I use for my 8088 motherboard. So this is my custom programmer. It's just some SPI chips hooked to a Raspberry Pi. Um, so a lot of these I get are coming software protected from whoever I bought them from, whether it was eBay or Amazon. So my programmer, this is written in Python. I got a little text editor. You can normally just upload your code to the chip and it'll take. But the unlock code seems to require some different timing. So I can't do it with the Raspberry Pi. But I can do it with my motherboard. So I've got this code. This is your unlock sequence here. This little last line here just leaves a marker in there so we know that it was done correctly. The rest of the code just turns some LEDs on the board. So let's just check our chip. So we just read back the jump sector right here, the boot sector, and it's all F's. We're going to try to upload this code to the chip. And it's done. We'll read it back. And it did not take on the chip at all. It's still all F's. So what we do is we take our chip, we'll plug it here in this socket. This is the RAM socket. This ROM already has the code on it. We turn it on. The LEDs came on, so we know it worked. Move it back over here. And let's read back the boot sector. And you can see that 20 marker is in there. And what this is my RAM socket is offset at F000 for the segment. And then all we got to do is write in the offsets. And you can see the last one is 7FF0, which would, when it's in the ROM socket, puts it at the boot sector. The ROM sits at F8, the RAM sits at F0. So you can put any code you want in here at this point, and I'm just going to upload this code. It's already loaded. We're going to read it back, and you can see my programmer puts in EA, which is jump far 000F8. So that's the beginning of the ROM. And so your code starts at 0, and your segment will be F8. So that's how I program my ROMs, and that's also how I unlock them. Thanks for checking it out.